Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can animate still images using AI. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn exactly what tool I'm using and how to use it. So let's jump into it. So in order to actually animate our still images using AI, I'm using a website called Pika. Now with Pika, it actually allows us to create AI videos from text. However, another feature that it actually offers is being able to animate your still images. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to their website and you can just create an account for free. And once you are signed in, it will look similar to what's on screen now. Now from here, we can just head over to our library to see everything that we've made. And from here, since we want to animate a still image, we just want to go down to the bottom and select image or video. Now I've just uploaded a picture of some lightning here because I'm guessing this is going to give us a cool little effect once it is actually animated. However, I haven't actually tried this yet, so it will be interesting to see what sort of results it gives us. So once we have our image or video uploaded, it will look something like this, and we can just click this button here to generate. So after you've done that, it'll be added into our library, and it will say our video will start generating soon. And from there, we'll be able to see a progress bar in a second, as you can see now, and it will show us how long's left till it is actually done. So I'm going to get back to you once this is finished loading. Okay, so that has now finished loading. It only took about 1 or 2 minutes, so it didn't actually take too long at all. And in order to actually view it, we can just hover over it and click this full screen button in the bottom right corner. And as you can see, it's now animated my image, which used to just be a still image, which is absolutely insane. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but considering this was once a still image, it is very impressive. You can even see the water flash when the lightning flashes, which is something that I didn't think it would actually add. So if we do something like this and we're happy with it and want to download it, we can go ahead and click this save button in the top right corner. However, if we're not happy with it and it didn't give the results we wanted, we can actually go into the bottom left corner and click retry. And we do also have a few other options down here, such as reprompt, edit, add 4 seconds and upscale. And most of them are pretty self-explanatory. For example, if you click upscale, it will just make it a higher quality image. And if you clicked add 4 seconds, it would simply make the video slightly longer. So that's exactly how to animate still images using AI. Hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out. And also let me know if you tried this tool out for yourself, because I'm interested in seeing how it worked for you. Now if you did enjoy this video, please comment down below to say it helped you out. And also like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.